Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about one of the best online business that you can actually start at this century and get to belong to the connected economy where you're creating your own wealth. But one thing I need you to understand is online business, there are so many of them, and many people have become victim of getting scammed or even joining some of the illegal schemes and hence losing their money and even wasting their time. So you need to understand that before you get involved in any kind of online business, you have to do a thorough research about the company, about that kind of business, and actually how you're going to interact and make your own wealth. So, and that's why in this video, I want to talk to you about network marketing as being one of the best online business that you can actually do or start. And the good news is you can actually do this business both online and offline. So stay up to the end of this video as you get to know why it is one of the best business that you can actually start in this century. As I start, you need to understand that network marketing is a business model that involves you marketing or promoting a product or a service, and enhance you get to earn a commission. But now, how is this business going to benefit you, or if you have that mindset of starting the best online business? One, if you look at the flexibility and scheduling of this business, it should allow you to have that what you call time management, that it allows you to do this business at a given specific time that maybe you have the time because you could be working or doing something else, because you don't need to leave your work or your other business for you to do this business. No, for you to become your own boss in network marketing, it actually has to allow you to have that flexibility to do it at any given time without much consuming of your time and energy. Two, network marketing is going to give you an extra income, because remember, when it comes to network marketing, it has the products and it has the recruitment, and this is one of the ways of making money with network marketing companies. So when you get to learn on how to actually, let's say for example, on how to learn, if you have interest in selling, if you're going to learn on how to sell the product, if you're going to learn on how to recruit people into the system, and that is when you're going to make your money. And the beauty is we have training and mentorship when it comes to network marketing. You have to learn on how am I supposed to promote this product, how am I supposed to sponsor people, or how am I supposed to conduct my business. Three, another reason why network marketing is one of the best business that you can actually start online is performance pays. Now, what I mean by performance pays is for you to start any kind of business, is be it online or offline, you need to learn on how that business is done. And the beauty about any given business, when you commit yourself, you get to learn the right skills you need, you follow the steps that are required, you are actually going to make a passive income because you are actually doing the right thing for you to promote your business. It doesn't mean that if you start a business online that you are guaranteed to be successful. No, you have to learn on how that business is done and how that business is conducted. For example, there is a misconception about network marketing that if you join that business, let's say for example you join today, that by tomorrow you'll start generating a lot of money, or you'll be joining a get rich quick scheme, which is a total lie. Now, for you to succeed in network marketing company, there are steps that are required you to learn for you to actually make your wealth. It is not about just starting a business and the business start giving you money. You have to learn on how to do that business. Four, if you love traveling, you have that interest of visiting different places, network marketing is an ideal business for you. Now, for example, in my company, it has what we call traveling promos. This is, for example, where the company comes with certain incentives that are equal to everyone, irrespective of when you joined, be it that you joined yesterday, today, or tomorrow, you'll still qualify. But the company puts there or sets there certain target that if you are going to meet them, then you are going to succeed, or you are going to travel with the people who are going to meet those requirements. And the company, what it does, it pays for all the accommodation, the food, and the transport. What you are just required to get is the legal documents for you to go for you to meet or to go that place. For example, maybe if you need a visa, if you need a passport, or even the health document. Those are some of the things that the company checks about it. Another beauty thing I like about network marketing as being one of the best business you can actually contact online is you can do it globally. Now, I've done other videos explaining on choose the best network marketing company. And one of the things that you need to check is how is the legal, or how is the legalization of the company in terms of where is it located? Can you do it globally? Can you run it at any given point? Now, if you love to do this business as one of the online business, you are going to realize that these companies have been formed or come from different locations. So that means that you can launch your business from any country or from any region, and you can build a team from that place. That means that if those people who are going to join your business, they don't necessarily have to come from your location or your country. These people can join you from different location. And when I go back to the fourth benefit of starting this business, you are going to realize that traveling is going to be part of you. For example, maybe let's say people have joined your country from another region, another country, or continent. Time will come, you need to travel and meet these people and talk to them, train them, show them how the business is done, and you are going to realize that as you are doing that, you are building your business globally. The sixth reason why network marketing is one of the best business you can actually start online is when you check at the wealth and wellness, you are going to realize that network marketing companies have legit products that are very good for our health. And the first thing that, like for example, in my company Advocate, is that you need to start working on your health, because when you join, you are given certain products that are going to be very beneficial when it comes to your health. And maybe you also love helping people, let's say their health, because there are people looking for products that are going to help them in different conditions. Let's say there are people looking for the products that are going to help them in losing weight. And when you check in my company, for example, it has food products that are very good in managing the weight loss. So when you join a company like a very good network marketing company, you are going to get very wonderful products that are very good for people, and the people are searching them online. That means that you can sell or promote this product online and still make a profit. So when you get to learn on how are you going to promote this product online, or how are you going to create your own website, or you can even market them on different social media, and still you get a profit. You learn, you get, and you get the money. Another benefit on health and wellness, you as a person, when you start consuming and use the product, let's say you had a certain condition, people are going to notice that you are changing. The product are changing you, and that becomes a tool for you to actually sell and market that product. Another good reason why you can actually start this business online is joining or starting a network marketing company has a low capital starting kit or low capital starting package. You don't need a lot of money or capital for you to join or invest with network marketing company. In fact, most of the network marketing company joining fee is very minimal. What you just need to learn is how does this company work, and is it the company legal? Because remember, we have a lot of scammers, we have a lot of illegal pyramid schemes, we have Ponzi schemes. So you need to learn, is this company legit? How is this company operating? Has this company been legalized? Once you get to learn all those, then you have a guarantee that this is a legit network marketing company, and you can actually join. Another thing is why this business is the best for you to start online is it doesn't require you to have special skills or special education for you to start. What you just need to learn is, are you able to relate with people? And the beauty is, when you join, for example, let's say my company, we have the training, we have the training and mentorship where you get to learn on how to relate with people, how do you talk to people, how do you present this business. Because remember, this business model, this business model is going actually to help you to work on your personal growth in terms of how you relate with the people, because there are people who are going to tell you different stuff. For example, they are going to reject or even object to your opportunity or this business. So you need to learn, how am I going to relate with these people? How am I going to talk to these people? When is the best time to present to these people? So when you get to learn all those things, you're going to realize it doesn't require special skills or special education for you to learn on how to interact with people. What you just need to learn is how is this business done, and everything is good to go, where you have a guaranteed success. But of course, if you have a question about any kind of online business, or you want to know more about network marketing kind of business, you can also you can leave your question in the comment section, and I'll be able to respond to it accordingly. As I'm finishing up, remember, for you to start any business online, you need to have done a thorough research about the kind of business you want to do, how are you going to market that business, or in case you want to join an online business company or an organization, you need to understand that the legal terms of that company. Is that company operating under ethics and the right conduct of operation? Is that company legal? Is it a scam? Is it an illegal pyramid schemes? For example, when I'm talking about network marketing companies, we have a lot of people who have scammed people, or who have become the victim of getting deceived in the name of network marketing companies, or even other people have actually joined illegal pyramid schemes and hence getting to lose their money. So you need to do a very thorough research about the company. You need to understand everything before you actually start your online business. But as I finish up, I'm here to tell you that network marketing company is legit only if you get to join a legit network marketing company. So maybe you're asking yourself, what is network marketing companies? I'm here to answer that question because I'm ready to help you to get started in network marketing business. I'm going to teach you what is network marketing, how do network marketing works, how do people make their money in network marketing, about the legalization of all these companies, everything you need to know about scamming, everything you need to know about illegal pyramid schemes, Ponzi schemes, and one of the best companies that you can actually join. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact down below in the description section. Contact me right now and I'm ready to help you to getting started, because remember, everything you need to start before you actually make that results. Waiting for the other end of this video. But if you have found something informative in this presentation, give it a like, subscribe for you not to miss more information about different business you can actually start, about network marketing companies, and everything to do with the online business. Otherwise, waiting you and ready to get you started in network marketing business.